tell you what I'm doing. Here, I'm doing this sleigh for my very good friend, and she like all this giant stuff. So this this sleigh extremely overwhelmingly big and heavy. I don't expect you to do exactly the same work unless you want to, but you can do smaller version of that. Now, I just want to show you how to do that, and we probably will break it in a couple videos because it's a lot of work here. So, first I want to explain you my attitude to Santa Claus. I am Christian. I know Santa has nothing to do with true meaning of Christmas and Christ. It's a pagan holiday, but I also breaking free from religious thing, and I believe if you look at Santa like a nice Saint Nicholas guy who's been giving gifts to kids and stay away from elves and trolls and all demonic environment around him, you can celebrate Christmas with kids just the way how you look at that. So for me, it's not chief of the elves, not spirit of winter, not Lucifer himself or pagan god. I mean, for me, just nice guy from Turkey who love kids and legend about that. And that's how I look at Santa. And the real Saint Nicholas, actually, he loves Jesus. And he was a wonderful person. Now, I will show you how to do that sleigh. Look at this piece of styrofoam right here. You can put one piece of styrofoam, I put two here. Then now find place where you want him to stay. And I want him to stay right here, in the middle. Sorry, I have little cold. When, just press it like that. Keep doing good. Then press it to the ground, to the styrofoam. Oops. Press it to the styrofoam. And put a lot of glue around him. A lot. As much as you can. Stuck in your camera. Put glue all around him. See, he is pretty good now. When you will see what I'm doing, everything will be just fine. Now, let's see if Christmas tree. Let's see if Christmas tree fit in there. Good. Yep. Now, let's start it. This is floral wire. That's how I wire styrofoam to sleigh. Now I'm taking wire and I'm wiring Santa leg individually all around like that. And then I will pin it with this floor. I'm improvising, making floral pin. Like that. Then I'm taking that and I'm pinning it to the ground, to the styrofoam. Okay. I always do it for security, just to make his legs secure. Another one, watch this. Now, I'm doing this leg different way. Either way will be good. I took really thick wire. I stick it to the ground. He's not going anywhere. He's stuck, little fat boy. Now, I have these beautiful branches, natural looking branches. Now you can do huge arrangement of real branches too. I prefer mix real and artificial, but this one I'm doing with artificial. If you can add, if you want, you can add real branches there, and it look very realistic. Wait. Will be sticking out here like that. Just take these beautiful branches and stick it all around. And then when you stick it, let's put glue there. Now, look at these beautiful branches. Just stick it in styrofoam like this. It will give you beautiful, fabulous look. Okay, we now did almost half through. We put all these branches in styrofoam all around Santa and different things like this, and but I will teach you how to do Santa sack full of toys. So this is Santa sack laying right here. We will leave it open like that, and we need to put some toys there. See, we will leave it open when you can see everything what it has there. I will use this paper. Very puffy, very good, to fill out all this sack. Fill out like that. Then leave good chunk of the sack open. See, it's pretty. Then let's glue some toys there, some ornaments. of your choice. Let's put like that and glue it. One other big huge ornament right here. On top, it's give you illusion with this Santa sack all full of goodies and toys. When I have little boxes, when I decorate with bow, and they look like real gift. It's fake gift. So we'll put one fake gift here. Just glue it there. And another gift right here. Beautiful. And we're done. Almost done. Sleigh needs some more decoration, of course. You can put some more ornaments here, lollipops, different candy sticks. Ornaments. I will recommend you do with ornaments like that. Take wire, stick it with wire, and then just stick it in another ornament. Oops, not working. I need different wire. Cut this. Cut this. This third one. Okay, glue it here. And then glue it here. Like that. When we can put on top those. It's styrofoam. This ornament's made from styrofoam. They're easy to glue. I don't like that one. Let's put this one. Yep. Now you're talking. Just glue it here. You have to hold it a little bit. When hot glue will kick in. What else we can put there? We can put something like this. We can put this one in the middle. Fluff that ball. Fluff this ball. Fluff that ball. candy cane here. Candy cane here. Candies here. Like this. Glue them all to each other. Now his sack look really full and pretty. Let's add little ornaments here in the bowl. Right inside in the bowl like that. 2 ornaments. And we start working with big accent. Let's stick this candy cane here. You just need to find styrofoam spot there and go there. Then this beautiful poinsettia. And then stick it in styrofoam and then fluff it. It has candy cane inside. Spread it out and open the flower. Isn't that cute? More candy cane right here. And one more poinsettia here. And always make sure you fluff it and you open it when your flower look pretty. Okay, this is not done yet, but we will stop right now, and the next video I will show you how to finish that big project. And like I said again, you can make it small, you don't have to do that giant slate, but it looked pretty good already. Let me show you. I will rotate that thing and show you. Cut. Okay, that's where we are right now, right in the middle. It's almost done, but not totally. We have some spots. See, some spots here will need to be covered, and I will show you how slate looking all around. Here need to be filled out. I need some filling there. I need some filling here. Might be small Christmas tree. And I decorate his bag with little ornaments, flat ornaments made from styrofoam. You can see styrofoam here, see? That mechanic has to be covered, so I probably will put decorative ornaments there inside, or some branches. And we're not done yet, but that's where we are right now. And let me know what you think about that. That's the back of the sleigh. That's the back. We have few spots to fill out. See this big hole here, big hole here, this one glue spots, it all need to be covered. And Jingle Bell look good there. Santa has glasses, everything fine. So it goes on front porch like that. That's why I put Santa in angle when people can see it. Because this is the front and this is the back of the sleigh. When you come in the front door, you can see his face. That's why he's facing visitors, not directly front door, but visitors. See you next time when we will finish with sleigh. Thank you.